Well, hello friends. Today we are going to do something pretty chill. We're going to work a little bit on Hack Studio and just fix up this Find in Files widget a little bit because I like the concept, but the way that it shows the matches is just not super great, right? So I think we're going to turn this into a table instead of a list, basically. And we'll show like one column with the file, another column with maybe the line number, and then a column with the matching text, something like that. So let's see what we can do with that. And figured it would be nice to have a little chill hacking today because it got pretty intense yesterday with the big purgeable memory stuff. So Find in Files widget. We have a list view here currently. We're just going to change that to a table view. Table view. Those are already sorted, you know. And Find in Files. Where do we create this thing? Result view is a table view. And I guess we have to actually include it. So it's been a while since we've been working on Hack Studio, so it's good to get back to it. Now, the results view is using a model that we construct, and the way that searching works is that we call find in files with the string, and then it gives us back a search results model that we then put in the view. And this model is a single column view. Yeah, I think so. Here's the model. Column count always returns 1. So let's change this and do something like I usually do, something like this, like enum column. Then we'll have file name, line number, and content matched string, matched text, maybe. And maybe we'll call this location, actually. All right, so then when we want to display this, we're going to have to look at the column number now, because this table is going to have, suddenly it's going to have 4 columns. So how do we fix this up? We just look at the index column. If it's the file name, then we'll return match.filename. If it's the location, I guess it's the range start line. It's the line number that we're on, like that. And the matched text is going to be, how do we get that out? Oh, frick. We have to actually extract that somehow. Currently, the model doesn't even know anything about the text. He just knows about line numbers and stuff. So what if we give him a copy of everything that we're matching? So vector of file name and range. So I think we'll just file name and range, and we'll just call this a match instead. Match string text, and say matches append, and we'll include the text that actually matched. So file document text in range. I think that's an API that exists. Yes. Thank you, past Andreas. Wait, what is this? Oh, matches. Right. Could rename this everywhere. Okay, so then for the match text, we can just return match.text. And we don't need this goofy visualization thingy anymore. DevTools, Hack Studio. Alright, maybe I messed it up in a few places. File name and range. Alright. Okay, where else are we screwing this up? Line 44. Guess we have to cast this to some familiar type. I think at the moment, gvariant can only contain signed int. It's kind of a shortcoming of gvariant. Or actually, it can do unsigned here as well, but it doesn't do size t. I think that's the issue. And this is actually a size t. So here we are. Hello. Oh, we didn't get any hits. Well, MK Deer then. This should definitely get some hits, but we're not seeing any. Okay, so we're getting some rows, but we're not seeing anything in the columns. Is it? Oh, the columns are not wide enough. All right. That's because we got to give them some names and stuff. So virtual string column name switch column. Okay, and then we have the column names, a file name. And for location, we can call it like, we'll just do something like that actually. And for matched text, we'll just say text, maybe something like that. And then we want these columns to just size themselves automatically, really. So there's a mode for that. It's like result view set size columns to fit content. True. Is that going to be enough? 46. Oh, I guess I have some default. Assert not reached. Bro. Okay. And here we go. Hello. And there it is. Boop. Clickety click. Text is there. I gotta admit that's a bit nicer than the previous iteration. So let's search for something a bit more common. Int. Find all these. That's nice. I feel like it would be kind of cool if we would show it in context. Like we would show the whole line, but you would, like we can't do rich text here yet, but it would be cool if we could show the whole line and sort of highlight the part that matched. So let's try to do that. So we'll make a special version of the text for that. So let's see, auto whole line containing match is file document text in range, whole line range. And then we'll say that auto whole line range is file document we'll do like a range for line helper. We could do range start line. We can have that. That would be kind of a nice little feature to have in gtext document. So we'll just say gtext range whole or range for entire line. size t line index const. If line index is greater than or equal to line count, then return that. Okay. And then what else? Why am I blanking out? Return. So first we want a text range that has two text positions. First, start of the line, so gText position line index column 0, and then also a gText position, same line index, but the line length. So line for line index dot length. It's an incomplete type at this point. Yeesh. Well, I guess we gotta put this out of line then. That's okay. It didn't need to be in line to begin with. We'll just put it in gtext document.h. No biggie. Okay, there we are. And this isn't how I like to program. We know what these types are, so we can just do it this way. Okay, that's nicer. There's a whole bunch of stuff I need to do in the text editor code for more undo redo support, because like undo redo is kind of half implemented at the moment. Like some operations respect the undo redo stack, and then other operations just ignore it and manipulate the document without going through the undo command pattern mechanism, which then makes it very weird when you try to undo and you have like modifications that did not respect undo. Anyways, it's not what we're working on today. Today we're just tweaking UI stuff, which is very chill and lovely. So it was not range for line anymore, but oh frick, I forgot what I called it. Text doc. Range for entire line, not range for line, but range for entire line. That's nice. Hack Studio. And search for int. And that didn't change anything because we didn't change the string that we passed in. Okay, so now this would be the whole line, but then we want to insert some little markers. So we need some substrings here. Left part is whole line containing match dot substring, and it goes from 0 to the start of the match. So range dot start dot column. And then the right part starts, I mean, we need to know the, it goes from the end of the match. And the length is range end column. The range is, how wide is it? Why is this always tripping me up? This is whatever is on the right side of the match. Starts at the end of the match, and the length of it is whole line containing match dot length minus range end column. Yeah. Okay, so then we are going to make a string builder, and then builder append left part and right part, and then in the middle going to put what we match. So builder append file document text in range. That's our match, and then let's put something around it, like a little star, maybe kind of cool. Looks like we're gonna need string builder. Okay, and finally this is what we will append. It will be the builder built string. This makes me wonder if I should do operator plus for strings. But using string builder is not so bad. Int, and okay, so what do we got here? Look at these. How cute is this? So it shows us where the int is. Maybe the star is not, the asterisk is probably not the perfect thing for this. Maybe underscore is better, or what's a good marker? Maybe we can use some fun markers that we have in the system font. I have these little icons that I drew just for funsies. Of course, this one is what you see up here. But I don't know if any ones of these are really great, but we could put these little things. They're kind of cute. Maybe the spooky ghost. Maybe whatever this is, or that. Maybe the guy. Important decisions here. Not the guy. These markers, but they're already used for something. But the spooky Pac-Man ghost, I think maybe this is his time to shine. So his hex FA. Come on, Pac-Man ghost. It's now or never. Oh, shit. We didn't take care of that very well. I guess that broke the UTF-8 thing. Oh, dang. I didn't think of that. Yeah, that's going to break UTF-8 decoding. Alright. We'll do something different then. We'll just, how do we do the system menu anyway? Wonder how we end up doing that. System menu C3B8. Wait, what? How does that work? C3B8 turns into this thing. Damn it, Sergey, how does this work? I don't remember how we did this. What the hell is C3 in UTF-8? C3B8. I guess it's B8C3 because little endian. Unicode. No, this is not making any sense. What am I trying to do? I don't remember how this works. I'm not going to look into it right now. We just need something that's better than the star. So we'll just use the underscores for now. And oh, you know what? We can draw something actually. We can draw something in the low ASCII table. What's a good one for that? Yeah. Continue, whatever. Cookie monsters. So these symbols here are not used, any of them. So what is in the DOS ASCII table? Because they have happy faces and stuff, which are adorable. This so reminds me of DOS programs, like having these little something like these. That'd be kind of nice. Font editor. So this is going to be in the fixed font actually that we're using. So I guess it's Chilla Thin. Chilla Bold, Chilla Thin. Yeah. So we'll make a copy of that. Where is that? Chilla Thin. Chilla is my cat, by the way. It's named after her. She's a very good cat. And font editor, CS font. We are just going to tweak this a little bit now and add something here. So we'll add a little glyph. Maybe we'll make it look. Oh, it's going to be like the marker around a match. So I don't know. Wait, how tall are these normally? One space below. Okay, right. So we'll leave that, which will give us a little bit more of an edge like that. We can remove some. Oh, it doesn't care about the glyph width because it's fixed width, right? Makes sense. But then we should probably be more symmetrical. So we'll just be in the middle in both. This could be kind of neat. Something like that, maybe, to show them where the matches are. That's a little too much. Could imagine having them do that. Oops. I don't know why suddenly this is so important to do this nicely. No, that's overkill. Okay, we're gonna do these because they look kind of interesting. All right, let's save, and then we will. Where are these? Oh, we have to mount it. On CS font. We'll just put it in the base. Res fonts, Chilla Thin, Ploop, and this should make it installed. And then we should be able to use these glyphs, which would be X1 and X2. You mount. Oh, we have to rebuild Hack Studio. I don't know. Maybe these glyphs are not perfect, but still, it's fun to use something custom. Did I totally not put them in the right thing? Damn it. Res fonts, and 7x10 font. They're here. 1 and 2. Why does that not work? Am I just thinking with the wrong part of my brain right now? Perhaps? Or, wait. Table view, what kind of font is that using? Column size, font. Oh, dude, we gotta say which font we want for this column to make sure that it's a fixed font. Column metadata font. Okay, so virtual column metadata. Here we go. forget how some of these things work. If row column is matched text, then otherwise return nothing special, but here it will return a column metadata. What do we have in that thing? We have preferred width, text alignment, and font. Okay, so preferred width 0, whatever. Text alignment center left, and font default fixed width font. That's going to be a real nice one, hopefully. Okay, look at those. It's a little bit weird, but I also like it. And it was clearly the right decision to use the fixed width font here. Maybe those glyphs should be doubly thick. Does this look weird? It looks a bit weird. But if we do that, it looks a bit less. It looks so chunky. Maybe something like this is not so bad. Or, I don't know, it's so super hefty. But also kind of neat. I like those. Okay, I like those too much. We're keeping them. CP mount sync. All right, these. I like these. We're sticking with these for now. Of course, all of this is just a placeholder until we can do rich text here, because then we can just make it bold or something. Right now we can't do that, so this will have to do, but it's adorable, so we're keeping it. And this is basically everything that I set out to do here, so I think we're just going to commit. So we'll do text document first, which was the entire line range thing. GUI add G text document range for entire line. And then we had a cute little change to this font. Say fonts add marker glyphs to show that things, and these can be ASCII values. Now let this font now contain little helper glyphs for showing a left and right side marker around something. Showing left and right side markers around. That's pretty cute. And then we will just, did we end up using string builder, by the way? Yes, we did. All right. Just swapping this out for table view. Hack Studio. Use a table view in the find in files widget. Make the results of a find in files operation a bit more look a lot nicer by presenting them in a table format instead of a single column list. Since we don't yet support rich text in table view cells, use the marker, use the special requests and the system default fixed width font to show where the match text begins and ends on the line we found it on. All right, so think that's going to be it for today's video. Just a nice little UI work one instead of the kernel hacking that we've been doing yesterday. I needed a break. I feel like I'm saying this again now, but I just needed to do something a bit more relaxing. And this kind of thing is great. So clearly an improvement. Very, very nice. Very happy with this. Yeah, so I hope you saw something interesting today. Thank you very much for hanging out. And I hope your projects are going really well and that you are fine. You're well. Yeah. I don't know what to say today. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye.